If your PDF files are opening in Google Chrome instead of your preferred PDF reader, don't worry, this is a very common issue and it only takes a few steps to fix. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the default app for PDF files so they open in Adobe Acrobat Reader, Microsoft Edge, or any other PDF program you want. This is a quick fix that can save you time and make your PDF files much easier to view and manage. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Now let's jump right in. First, find the PDF file on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, your downloads folder, or any folder where the PDF is stored. Once you see the file, right-click on it to open the menu of options. From that menu, click Properties. This will open the File Settings window where you can see information about the PDF and change how Windows handles it. When the Properties window opens, make sure you are on the General tab. Look for the section that says Opens with. If Google Chrome is listed there, that means Chrome is currently set as the default app for PDF files. To change that, click the Change button next to it. A new window will appear showing you a list of apps you can use instead. Now select your preferred PDF reader from the list. For example, you might choose Adobe Acrobat Reader if you want a dedicated PDF program, or Microsoft Edge if you want a built-in browser-based reader that still handles PDFs better than Chrome for some users. The key here is to choose the app you actually want to open your PDF files every time. Make sure you do not leave Google Chrome selected if you want this issue fixed. Once you've chosen the correct app, click OK to confirm your selection. After that, you'll return to the Properties window. The final step is to save the change by clicking Apply, then click OK. This makes the change permanent for that file type, so future PDF files should now open in the app you selected instead of Google Chrome. If the file still opens the wrong way, repeat the same process on another PDF file or check your system's default app settings for PDFs in Windows settings, and that's it. You've successfully fixed PDF files showing as Google Chrome and changed them to open with your preferred PDF reader. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick computer tips and troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.